Hello guys, today I want to show you this brand new feature from the Bing. If you go to this Bing and ask anything, you can even give the voice command from here and it searches. And in this right column here, even the ChatGPT will search for what we have entered in here. So it will give you both the answers from the Bing and from the chat. Or you can even go to this chat in here. Here this press this chat and you can ask anything to Bing. If you want to specifically ask only for Bing, then go to this chat section. If you want to ask both for both Bing and Chat GPT, then just ask something in here. For example, let's ask something like, okay, give me let's convert some SQL into link query, right? Since we are programmers, let's ask that. Convert select aspect from product link queue link C sharp. Okay, let's ask this. Let's enter. Okay, now we got some Stack Overflow answers in here, and now Bing is searching in ChatGPT. Okay, so here we got the answer. Select where query is equal from P in product, select P. So it has got some other even detailed response as well. So this is brilliant, guys. Now, we don't have to log into ChatGPT and ask for answers there. So we got these ChatGPT features for free. Yeah. Let's ask something difficult. Okay, let's just ask something like, let's join this SQL. Let's select S2 from product. Join, suppose join folders where order dot price is greater than 100. Let's see what ChatGPT gives answers. So we got answer from Stack Overflow. So before ChatGPT, Stack Overflow was the perfect place for us to get the answers, right? But now I think ChatGPT, I think we can directly go to ChatGPT and find the answers, or we can search in both places. It gives us answers from both places. Let's see. ChatGPT is a bit slower than this Bing search. Okay. Okay. So this time it's not giving us the right answer, as you can see. Let's search this. Let's type this question and search in chat. Let's type this thing and enter. Oh, okay. Now I think I would done some mistake. I forgot to put the link in here. So I think if I go in here, convert this into link C sharp, I think it will give us the correct answer now. Okay. Here ChatGPT is searching for our answers. Let's see if it gives us correct answer. Okay, now, okay, yeah, it's giving us the right answer from P in products and O in orders. Yeah, so this is the right answer, right? So this is great, guys. Let's see what other features this brand new Ping has. I always thought that it can give a summary of whole PDF. Let's look for some PDF, PDF of some, let's say, some programming. Let's also PDF programming. Okay, we got one in this. Okay, do we have any feature to convert this? Okay, yeah, discover. Not yet. Okay, stop responding. We can even give the voice command. Let's try voice command. Can you give me the summary? Can you give me the summary of the C programming language from this PDF? Okay, stop recording. Can you give me the summary of the C programming language from this PDF? Okay, so it's becoming smart. It behaves as human, which is good. Okay, so far it's looking good. Guys, why don't you guys check out this brand new Bing and 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 explore this brand new Bing. You will now install the Bing. Thanks, guys.